Durkopp, a company built on decades of expertise which leads motion technology, where precision drives progress and innovation shapes the future. At Durkopp, we move with ingenuity, powered by foresight, agility, and purposeful adaptation. Our engineering combines smart thinking with fast action, turning complexity into performance. At Durkopp, we move as one, united by a shared vision and a commitment to excellence. Together with our customers, we turn expertise into impact and ambition into momentum. At Durkopp, we move with confidence, trusted, proven, precise. Today, our focus lies in needle roller bearings, and from that foundation, we build forward with a clear ambition to grow, to expand our expertise, and to shape new solutions for tomorrow's industries. We bring accuracy to every challenge, no matter the scale, no matter the environment. Whether it's on the road, in the air, and across industrial machines, we keep things moving. Durkopp is a partner in progress, a driving force in motion, a brand built on precision, excellence, and trust. Durkopp, the movement manufacturer. Smart bearing solutions for a world in movement.